Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. What I want to talk to you about today is hijacking hooks. We've talked about hooks before. How do you hook the media in? How do you hook the audience in? And I don't want you to feel like you have to reinvent the wheel. So look at magazine covers. I wanted to share one of my real estate agent clients. I saw him at an event and he said, Christina, I went to the library and I hacked Cosmo hooks. I was like, Cosmo for real estate? Are you kidding me? He goes, yeah, this just got picked up by the media. How to get the big O, getting your full price offer. How awesome is that? So look at magazine covers, and it doesn't even have to be in your industry. Like I said, I'm a real estate agent looking at Cosmo, but look at hooks, magazine, titles that are on the cover that hook you in. And if they hook you in, they're obviously going to hook somebody else in. Change the subject and verb, change it up for your industry. Please don't plagiarize them. But it's a great way to hijack hooks and use them for you. So if you like that tip and you'd like to get massive visibility for your business and you'd like to be hooking the media in, please join us for our free PR challenge. It's at www.yourprchallenge.com. And I work with you for 10 days. It's only 10 minutes a day. It's super fast, super easy, but I tell you step by step exactly how to get publicity, exactly how to get more exposure for your business. So I hope you'll join us, and I'll see you next week for another Get Famous Friday PR tip.